I'll be teaching you a dance tutorial of a snippet of the song Sunday Best. So let's see how y'all can keep up. We're gonna start with a little warm up and then we're gonna jump right into it. So follow along with me. So we're gonna keep our feet shoulder width apart, left arm across the chest, and count for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Big forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna take our right leg, hold it with our right hand, and try to keep your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick it out. Kick it out. Keep our feet together. We're gonna go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straighten. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna rock on our feet, up and down. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. You start to feel it. 7, down. 8, down. Now we're gonna shake it out. So this is what the dance is gonna look like.
You gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days.
And now let's start the tutorial. First move, it starts with an echo. So you're gonna catch 1, 2. So it starts with eh, and then you're gonna do a head swivel. Everyone falls. So let's do it again. So you're gonna hear everyone falls. So you're gonna catch it on 1, 2, everyone falls. And when you do that, make sure you bend your knees with the head swivel so that you can have enough momentum to pop up. So let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, everyone falls. We're here. He says down sometimes. So you're gonna take your right arm and you're gonna go down sometimes. So you're gonna catch it on that beat, on times. So down sometimes. And you're gonna come back to the front. So let's go over everything. 5, 6, 7, everyone falls down sometimes. Good. Okay. So next move, after times, you're gonna go 1, 2, side. Everyone knows 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, hit. So yep, we're gonna add that in there. So 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, throw it. So to see what that looks like here, we were here, we're gonna go down sometimes, but everyone knows 1, 2, hit. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, everyone falls down sometimes, and 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, hit. So our next move, after we threw it, that leg that's up, which is our left leg, we're gonna slide it this way. So slide and pop the right leg. So when we slide the left leg, you're gonna take your opposite arm and you're gonna push the opposite way and then pop. So you wanna make it look nice and smooth and then sharp at the end. So smooth and sharp. So let's throw it together with 1, 2, boom. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, knock. 1, 2, throw, and slide and pop. All right, so now that you got that, let's add it back to the beginning. 5, 6, 7, everyone hit. Down sometimes, and 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, throw, and slide and pop. So just to clarify, 1, 2, throw, you put the leg down for a slight second, and then you're gonna slide it. So let's throw that all together with the beginning moves. So 5, 6, 7, everyone hit. Down sometimes, and 1, 2, knock. 1, 2, hit, and slide.
Your boy Ro, let's go. Listen up, yo, I got a story to tell. By the time I'm done, y'all gonna know it pretty well. We're going back in black history to see some African American achievements that came to be. Anything is possible with hard work. There's no obstacle. Anything is possible with hard work. There's no obstacle. Martin, Rosa, and Thurgood too fought for equal rights to come true. They all shared one big dream for us to become a united team. Anything is possible with hard work. There's no obstacle. Anything is possible with hard work. There's no obstacle. Anything is possible. Put your mind to it and you can do it. Broken barriers, justice for all. Made Jackie Robinson the first black man to hit a Major League Baseball. What seemed impossible became a dream come true. Magic, Julius, and Michael Jordan too. Traffic light, the filament for lights, created by African Americans, that's pretty tight. Bessie, the first license to fly, and Mae Jemison went even more high. First to make it into space. Hannah Dennis, author and a player, slammed at their own pace. William Sidney Poitier made history as the first African American